Good morning, everyone. So day one, and I'm just walking out from Porto along the River Douro, and behind me is Porto and an amazing bridge. Forgive me for the name, but straight ahead is the Foz, the Douro, and I decided to walk out of the city today. Wherever I stop, I don't know. After that is Matosinhos, and after that is we'll find out. Well, it's a lovely day today. Yesterday I spent browsing the town and taking it easy. I've got a light pack, but it's nice and calm, as you can see. Lovely morning. It's just after 7 o'clock, and more later. Just coming into Matosinhos now, and I remember this last year. I couldn't get a proper picture. Now I can. So I think I'll just go over here. There's actually a train that brings you straight here. A lot of pilgrims actually start their Caminos here. But I've walked, so I had to find a cafe. Yeah. So I've passed left the Palmyra, and I'm actually a good bit past it, a couple of kilometers past it, and I've arrived on the boardwalk, and that's the sea to my left hand side now. So just taking it easy and meeting my first pilgrims now. There wasn't many pilgrims before Matosinhos, so it's nice, and you can actually feel the heat, and it's 20 past 10. So I'm just going to take it easy, just relax now. I think the next stop will be Lavra or something like that. I'm not really sure. I can't remember from last year, but let's see. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'll pop down to it later on. Yeah, quite a lot of people running, walking along. Not as busy as last year, but still got a bit to go. Yeah. All right, later. Remember this from last year. I didn't spend a lot of time at this obelisk. I think I just wandered around it and just walked off, but it's something that stood out for me. It's a nice memory. marks the spot where on the 8th of July 1832 King Pedro IV and 7,500 men of his liberal army disembarked, marking the end of the absolutist regime had dominated Portugal.